how to download Fortnite on your iOS or your iPad. So first, Fortnite, when you go to your app store, you cannot find Fortnite on your app store. As you can see, if we search Fortnite, there is no option where you can install the game. So there is another way which we are going to do this in this particular video. So for that, we are going to use Safari, or you can use any browser. Then open Chrome, you can use any browser. Then search for Xbox Cloud Gaming. All right. So after that, you are going to visit the first result. Just tap here. And this is the Xbox Cloud Gaming interface. From the search, as you can see here, from the search above, search for Fortnite, and there is the game. Just tap here, and you need to tap this get ready to play button. All right, just tap on here, and now it says add to home screen to play. So what you have to do is just press this button from your browser. All right, just press this button and scroll down. There will be an option add to home screen. Tap here. You can change the name to Fortnite. Right, just do it. Now as you can see, we have this shortcut from our home screen. So when we tap here, then it will directly open the cloud gaming. So now as you can scroll down, you see Fortnite. All right, just tap here, and then we need to sign in. Just let me do it quick. Now after you log into your account, you will find a play button here. So you just tap the play button and you will be able to play the game. Unfortunately, I doesn't belong to the specific region. That's the reason I don't have this play button. All right, but if you are from the European nation, or if you are from the American nation, then there will be a play button. Just tap here and you will be good to go.